In this video, I want to show you how you can cancel one item from your order on Temu. Now for this to work, you need to keep in mind that if the order has already been shipped, then of course you cannot just cancel it, and then you'll have to wait until it arrives, and then you can return it if that's what you want to do. So to cancel it, you need to be fast, because once it has been shipped, you can no longer do it. So with that being said, what you want to do is head over to your orders, and this works on the phone as well as on the website. And once you're under your orders, you want to find the order with the one item included. So find the order and go to the order, and there will be one called details. Inside of there, what you should be able to see is a button called, there should be a button in there called cancel. Now, if you press on this cancel button, you'll have to follow a few instructions, and once you've done that, the order or the item should be canceled. So when you press on the cancel button, it will tell you to select which items you want to cancel, and you can just select the singular item instead of all the others, and that one will be canceled, but the others won't. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.